Morning and welcome to Tuesday's update. Pretty quiet start to the week yesterday. Looking at the scans, not a great deal going on either. First thing we're looking at is dollar CAD. Sort of had a minor reversal yesterday, didn't produce any signal when it wasn't at support. But it was a little bit more interesting when you do Aussie CAD, which is a position that we've got. And today, Aussie CAD is trying to build a positive signal at this final daily support, which would be the fourth time it's actually done it, and at least created some sort of reaction in what is a broad sideways pattern. So keeping an eye on that one. And the only other thing that was mentioned yesterday and was confirmed was a negative signal on the Aussie against the US dollar, trying to break down. So there's a little bit of a conflict there. A buy on the crosses and a sell against a major. So I have to keep an eye on that today. Overnight, it didn't really follow through on the downside. So all things Aussie today. Elsewhere, as we'll stay on the currency theme, if we do the pound, yet another reversal yesterday. More Brexit stories overnight. It depends which paper you read, I think. Depends on what you believe. But for the dollar index, another quiet session, still focused on that 94.11 point, which is pretty important. Close below there, and this breakout in the dollar from a couple of weeks ago will have deemed to have been false. Finally, gold and crude. Pretty quiet, very quiet day for gold yesterday. That's the narrowest range for some time. So still focused on that 1262 level below. But the dollar index is going to hold the key there. And crude oil, hit 2 down yesterday on the range deviation pivots without hitting 1 up. So a little bit more negativity there. That daily level has now moved to the top. So that's an important resistance. Okay, that's about it.